Hi there, hope you enjoyed my vlog style video. Today I reminisce, talk wifely duties, and why I love Laurel Hill. I am at the beautiful campus, Our Lady of the Lake University in San Antonio, Texas. No, I never attended this campus other than for conferences and things like that, which is what I'm doing this morning.
So they are all technologically based, and so we all are familiar with that. You know, what about Facebook when, you know, our clients are friend requesting us, right? What if our student interns are friend requesting us? You know, when there are interns, how do we handle those situations? Because most of the time with ethics, it's not always black or white.
My grandmother used to work for this campus, so I feel a lot of nostalgia. She would show me off to all her friends. She loved this place so much. We passed in front of it during her funeral, and I get emotional. This is one of her trees is here. It's a Monterey oak. It's beautiful. Please do not mind my kitchen. It's a mess right now. My dishwasher is broken. Anyway, so I've started reading this book. It has some pretty yummy recipes in here. Kale chips. That looks so good. Central Market organic baby kale, which I am very surprised was in my grocery. I live on not a very affluent part of town, so the fact that they had baby kale was quite interesting. Made me happy. And I'm just laying this on a baking sheet and cutting off the stems. So my husband gets off of work a few hours after me, so this gives me some time to pick up the kids, rush home, and start on dinner. And he helps. It's like this weird guiltiness that you have if you're not the one cooking and cleaning. I don't know if that's just me and just a me thing, or if it's a cultural thing, or if it's just all women go through that. I'm not sure. That's where I got going, and I'm supposed to put them in until just the edges are crisp and browned. These are my kale chips. This is good. I can refrain from potato chips once I perfect this art of kale chip making. I made it! Oh, beating the clock. Okay. Today is college shirt day, which I should have remembered and I didn't. Most people are wearing their college shirts and I'm just like, I hate when that happens. Across the nation, there's gonna be some demonstration for the anniversary of the Columbine shooting. Of course, in a middle school, it's just hard to let the students partake in that, but manage it in a way that also keeps everybody safe and stops the skipping and the truancy.
Good morning, students. You will be given 4 minutes to return to class after 10 minutes of silence has happened. This is a moment of respect.
We'll see how this goes. Thank goodness for Google Calendar, because it sent me my reminder that I have a meeting today in about 10 minutes. I got this. Everything is digital and electronic, so this is all I need for that meeting, and it's a parent liaison meeting. Each campus has a parent liaison. Typically it's the social worker or the counselor. I'm kind of disappointed I'm not gonna see the walkout or demonstration. Almost crashed into the counselor's car. Not today. This song, I love Laurel Hill. So the fact that Cardi B, which I also love, and Drake are utilizing her songs in their music, it's like, but I do feel old. I had the miseducation of Laurel Hill growing up. Like, I would listen to it nonstop. And doo-wop is the reason why I got that album. I mean, the video, the song, I love that song, and I still think we need a Laurel Hill for our generation. Yes, we have Beyonce and Rihanna and some other really cool, talented, strong, independent women, but Laurel Hill You need to listen to doo-wop. I sound like such an old person. But honestly, that song is great. Like, the lyrics are perfectly written. It has a beautiful message. It's vibrant and upbeat, but real at the same time. We made it. We're here. I'm not the latest one. I see other people getting here just now too, so.
And maybe you can combine some of the questions if they all go along with and agree, disagree. You know, you can combine some into different sections.
Okay, that meeting ran very, very long. It's just about lunchtime now. Luckily, they did feed me. I had a parfait, some more coffee, and cream cheese and strawberry pastries. I'm a sucker for sweets. Come on, people, the light is green, like literally green, and I hate when people just stand there like at a standstill and the light is green. People don't know how to drive, and people drive while vlogging. I'm so bad. I'm wondering why it's below 60 degrees in Texas in April. One update during a session that I had today, a follow-up session with one of my students that has a lot of family issues. We're talking about anger management in the home and how to deal with stress, anxiety. The anxiety and stress presents itself in other family members as anger and aggression, and because she is the oldest, I've kind of taught her some skills to help for her, but then also to assist and aid the younger ones too. So we talked about coloring. Her younger siblings don't even have a coloring book. So I gave her some books, and I'm gonna get some colors. We started off with color pencils because that's all I had on hand. I keep some school supplies back there. But she kind of let me know that it worked. So I'm so happy about that, and just hopefully planting seeds that will help future generations learn how to deal with the anger and aggression and anxiety. But right now, to kind of settle myself down for the day, I do have to document a little bit. I want to be sure that I show you how to get to a playlist. I'm a Spotify user, so I want to share a playlist that I have just found very, very helpful. I go onto a deep focus playlist that's part of Spotify. So under browse, you go down and you'll see something that says focus. That's it right there. I guess you can say lots to do. In planning for my mindfulness group, I want to share this website with you. I'll link it down below, but there's really great prompts and scripts. Last task of the day, and that is this parent engagement piece where we have the math teacher showing parents what is being taught in the classroom so they can further engage their student at home. A long day of work today, and now I'm with kiddos because I have an open house type of thing for GT at 5:30, so I'm still not home. But this is what's keeping me going. That right there. We're gonna test it. Let's see where the ball goes. Okay, let's see. It has to be more this way. Okay, well let's test it. Let's see. That's my baby. He is too cool for school. Thanks so much for watching my social work vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please look for me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. Till next time, I'm wishing you social work success.